Hey everybody, let's look at exercise 7-7, and this is just going to get us used to calculating what deposits in transit are and what outstanding checks are. So it says the records of this company show the following. We've got deposits in transit and outstanding checks. Part A says what were the deposits in transit at July 31st, and August 31st. So remember, deposits in transit are deposits that we have recorded in our GL, but the bank has not recorded them yet. So let's see what it says. It says the June 30th bank rec indicates deposits in transit are $2,000. So we're starting with $2,000 of outstanding deposits. During July, the GL account cash shows deposits of $14,750. So if we think about our GL, right, we've got $14,750 recorded for July. The bank statement, however, indicates that $15,820 were received during the month. So if we think about a bank statement, right, we've got ins and outs on our bank statement. They're showing, what was it, $15,820 was deposited. So we can think of it this way. We can think, okay, all of this got deposited plus more. So plus some of this stuff that hadn't been deposited yet in June. So what's the difference between these ones? We've got per GL, $14,750, and then we've got per bank $15,820. So just looking at these two numbers, that is a difference of $14,750 minus $15,820, $1,070 more in bank versus our GL. Okay, so all of this went in plus 1,070 of this. So at July 31st, what's left outstanding is 2,000 minus 1,070, or 930 left to deposit. Okay, so then what does it say for August? Deposits per the bank statement were 22,500 and per the books 22,900. So we have 22,900 in our books and 22,500 in our bank statement. So per GL, per bank. Okay, so we're saying 22,900, the bank's saying 400 less than that. So we can think of it again as, well, I guess they didn't deposit the 930. They didn't even deposit all of what we recorded in August, 400 less. So now we have outstanding deposits of, here, I'll put this here, 400 less. So August 31 outstanding deposits, 930 plus another 400, or 1330. Okay. All right. So let's go to part B. What were the outstanding checks at July 31st and August 31st? So it says the June 30th bank rec reported outstanding checks of $570. All right, that means there are checks that we have written and recorded as coming out of our cash account that the bank has not cleared yet. During July, the books show that $18,200 worth of checks were issued. The bank statement shows 17,200 were cleared. So that means 18,200 is what we're saying came out of our bank account in July. So I'll say per GL in July. And per bank, they're saying 17,200. 18,200 and 17,200? Yeah, so the difference is $1,000. So 570 didn't clear as of the end of June. We wrote another 18,200 and only 17,200 cleared. So an additional 1,000 has not cleared. So outstanding checks as of July 31st, 1,570. So what about August? August checks issued were 22,700. So if we think about our cash account in the GL, 22,700 is what we wrote, and cleared the bank 23,520. $23,520. So 22,700, oops, minus 23,520 is 820 more. We wrote 22,700, the bank cleared 23,520. So we can think of it as they cleared all of this plus some of this, 820 of that. So then August 31st, outstanding checks, 1,570 minus 820, or $750. Okay, and that is it for 7-7.